What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get water that you can drink in once human. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is find yourself a source of water, whether it's a river or just a general pond somewhere that you'll find around the map. You don't need to really look for anything. You'll just pass wet puddles that you can collect water at. Simply walk across to one and hit G to collect dirty water. This is obviously not the best to drink if you can drink it at all. What you need to do is head all the way back to your base or put one down if you haven't already, and make your way over to your mimetic screen by hitting O. So Mimetic's Cradle followed by Mimetics here, and under the Logistics tab, which is the third one, you should find Stoves over here. Once you've clicked it and researched it, you can then put one down in your world by hitting B to enter Craft mode, right-click to choose different items. Under Facilities, you'll find Stove over here. Using copper ore, gravel, charcoal, and metal scraps, once you've put one down, head across to it and hit F to interact with it. Then, inside of here, you'll find boiled water. All you need to do is collect at least 3 dirty water and 3 logs, craft this, and you should make yourself 1 drinking water. This gives you plus 20 hydration, so you'll usually need 3 or 4 to get yourself all the way back up. I've got 95 here, which is great. Once you have it in your inventory, head across to your backpack by hitting I and drag your fresh water or boiled water across to your hotbar over here. Then, simply hitting your hotbar key of, say, 5 in my case, you'll take a sip and rehydrate. That's it. It's pretty simple. At the start of the game, you will start with a couple of boiled water in your inventory that you can use to keep yourself going up until you have yourself a simple base put down with a stove in it. I only really got this done a little bit later, as you have to do quite a bit of collecting beforehand. This, at least, doesn't require copper ingots. It's only normal copper ore, so you don't even need to worry about putting down a furnace yet. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.